SRI, the West Coast, if you, just to make, I love saying this all the time, you know, if you use your iPhone and if you talk to Siri, that was originally created by, innovated by SRI. So that's the company who's chosen to decide to go to Oracle Cloud. And they've gone full suite, including payroll. And Yamini has a lot to talk about that. So if you would, Yamini, what I'd like to hear from you, because you've commented from conference to conference, she's repeated this lessons learned with us and has talked to several customers about some great learning experiences. We talked about these 5 categories of success factors or challenges, whichever way you look at it, from which end you look at it. If you would comment on, for the sake of the audience here, I know you have gone through all 5 of those. If you, in your own way, comment on any one of those as far as SRI is concerned.
So actually, like, I'm going to talk mainly on the governance side of things, because you have like quite a number of people in the HCM implementation. Like, I think Jennifer is from HR technology team, and I'm from the information technology team. So there is a change in the role that we are doing, but primarily the governance and the requirements management from across every group that is touching this product is actually very, very important. I'm looking at Wasim because he's our PM, and the effort that he took to manage the requirements of SRI, you should hear stories from him or nightmares from him. It was very, very challenging from SRI side. And I want to talk about like multi-vendor dependency as well. Like Julia is our HR technology manager, and she can talk a lot from her side of things too. Like, we have a lot of benefit vendors that we need to integrate with, and we have ADP that we need to integrate with. And a HR tool is I keep repeating it over every conversation that I have on this. Is not a tool for the HR team. It is an enterprise product. When you're designing the product for the enterprise, you have to always think about, like, how can this be an enterprise solution and not just make the HR business users better. It's not about HR business users' life getting better or life getting changed. It's about the solution doing the benefit for the entire enterprise. So when you're working with that product, you have to integrate with all of the enterprise solutions, and some might be other cloud vendors that you need to integrate with. And there's a lot of challenge in it, and multi-vendor dependency is very, very challenging to take care of. So engage with them well ahead of time. And since SRI is a defense contracting company, we have a lot of governance around security. And our chief information security officer is not going to sign off unless and until we've made every single integration double encrypted. There's a lot more technology terms that I will use, but I'll stop with that. But there's a lot to consider. Engage early and engage well with them. And one more thing that I do want to talk about is like the people involved in that project, right? So we were challenged with losing one of the key person when we were implementing the project. So most importantly, this is very challenging conversion. When you're moving from on-premise to cloud, 4 months, awesome, Jennifer. I have no idea how she got it done.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try it at
a
home.
lot of attempts.
And so it's very, very difficult, and people are going to be burned. Take very good care of your people. Like, motivate them, keep them engaged, take very good care of them throughout the process. Otherwise, you will lose them. People are the first.
Wonderful, thank you. I want Chris.